Morning students, I hope you all are well, and after completion of your half-yearly exam, so today we will start our PT2 syllabus and we will start our new chapter, that is chapter number 7, plants in the surrounding. Plants in the surrounding. So student, in this chapter we will discuss about the plants. What is the use of the plants? What are the different parts of the plant? So the first thing is that what are the parts of a plant? So if we see a plant, we can divide the plant into two parts, shoot part and the root part. And what are shoot part? Shoot part is the part of the plant that grows above the soil. प्लांट के वो पार्ट जो सॉइल के ऊपर ग्रो करते हैं आर नोन एज shoot system or shoot part, whereas the part of the plant that grows below the soil or under the soil is known as the root system or root. If we talk about what are the parts of the plant that forms a shoot, so flowers, fruit, stem, leaf, branches are form shoot, whereas root and its branches form the root of the plant. So let's see the definition of the what are root and what are shoot. So the part of the plant that grows under the soil is called root, and the part of the plant that grows above the soil is called shoot. So this is this diagram of a plant, and from which you can see the part of the plant. ये आपका soil वाले region. So ये वाला जो part है is known as shoot, and this part is known as root or the root system. So we can see flowers, leaves, buds, stem, branches, they all are present in the shoot of the plant. It consists, they all combine to form the shoot, whereas root and its branches form the root system of the plant or root of the plant. So next we will move to the root. It consists of main root and branches. See, this is the main root and from it a large number of branches are arising. बहुत सारे इसमें से branch क्या है, arise हो रहे हैं. So this is known as the branches of the roots, and it grows under the soil away from the light. जो root है plants की वो under the soil grow करती है, and we know that the sunlight will not able to reach under the soil. So this is the part of the plant where the sunlight does not reaches. So वो light से away grow करती है root of the plant. Next, tiny hairs all over the root called root hairs are present. जहाँ पे root present है उसमें क्या है, all over the surface of the roots small hairs are present which are known as root hairs, and these root hairs help in absorption of the water and minerals from the soil. Next is the types of root. The roots are of two types. First one is the taproot and next one is the fibrous root. Now what is the difference between the taproot and the fibrous root? So student, next is about the different types of roots. The first one is the taproot, and it is a long and thick root. लॉन्ग होती है और थिक यानी मोटी रूट होती है, and many small roots grow from it in the soil. Examples are turnip, carrot, radish, etc. So you can see this is the diagram of radish and this is the diagram of root of turnip. So you can see that it is example of taproot, and there is a long thick root. This is the long and thick root, and from this long and thick root small roots, you can see the small roots are also arising from this, and this is known as taproot, and examples are radish and the turnip. Carrot is also an example of taproot. एक long thick root होती है, उसमें से small root hairs arise करते हैं, small roots arise करती हैं, and this is the examples are radish and turnip, carrot, etc. Next is the fibrous roots. So student, name is telling us fibrous में बहुत सारे fibers एक साथ जब shoot के base से arise होते हैं and they combine to form the roots. This is known as fibrous roots. when small roots of different sizes grow from the end of a shoot, it is called fibrous roots. जब shoot के end से, you can see this is a diagram of plant of a wheat. This is a wheat plant, and this is a diagram of grass. Here you can see this is the shoot part and this is the root part. So from the end or from the base of the shoot, several different sizes of roots are arising, and this is known as fibrous roots. Fiber like structure क्या है, धागे जैसे structure arise होते हैं, and this is known as fibrous roots. Similarly in the grass also you can see क्या है, यहाँ पर बहुत सारे फाइबर जो है एक साथ अराइज हो रहे हैं. कोई भी एक थिक रूट, सेंटर में कोई एक रूट नहीं है प्रेजेंट, वेयरएज एक साथ के डिफरेंट साइज के जो रूट है वो अराइज हो रही है, एंड दे आर नोन एज फाइब्रस रूट. So examples of these are wheat, grass and onion. Examples of fibrous roots are wheat, grass and onion. Next, if we talk about the what are the functions of root. The first is root of the plant fix it into the soil. जो roots होती है प्लांट की वो प्लांट को सॉइल में फिक्स करने में हेल्प करते हैं. Next is tiny hairs on the root absorb water and minerals from the soil. We know that a large number of root hairs are present on the surface of the soil that help in absorption of water and minerals from the soil and transfer it to the rest of the part of the plant. Next is the third function of the plant is roots of some plants store food. स्टूडेंट, कुछ जो प्लांट्स होते हैं उनकी जो रूट्स होती हैं वो क्या करती है, फूड को स्टोर करती है इनटू देम, एंड दीज रूट्स आर एडिबल टू ऑल ऑफ अस. वी ईट दीज रूट्स एज अ फूड. यहाँ पर अगर हम देखें जो आपको रेडिश है, टर्निप है, कैरेट वी नो, इनमें जो रूट्स है वो क्या है, हम जो पार्ट खाते हैं दैट इज द एडिबल पार्ट इज ओनली द रूट. सो एग्जाम्पल्स वी कैन सी द टर्निप, कैरेट, बीटरूट, and radish is also an example of the root which store food in them. So student, in this we have discussed about first what are the parts of the plant. There are two main parts of the plant, root and the shoot. Root is the part of the plant that grows under the soil where the sun rays or the light do not reaches, and after that we have discussed that shoot is the part of the plant that grows above the soil and consists of stem, branches, leaves, flowers and buds combined to form the shoot of the plant. After that we have discussed about that there are two types of roots, taproot and the fibrous root. Taproot, it is a long thick root in which a small root also arises from it and from it in the soil. Then these examples are turnip, carrot, radish, etc. are the examples of taproot. Then fibrous root, when small root of different sizes grow from the base of or end of the shoot, then it is known as fibrous root. And examples of fibrous root are wheat, grass, onion, etc. And this is the diagram is shown. फाइब्रस रूट कैसे होती है, बेस से एक साथ बहुत सारे डिफरेंट साइज की रूट ग्रो करती है, राइज होती है. सो दीज आर नोन एज फाइबर लाइक स्ट्रक्चर, थ्रेड लाइक स्ट्रक्चर दिखता है, फाइब्रस रूट्स है. वेयर एज यू कैन सी इन टैपरूट एक लॉन्ग थिक रूट प्रेजेंट है सेंटर में, एंड फ्रॉम दैट अ स्मॉल root are also arising. Then we have discussed about what are the functions of the root. Functions of the root if we talk about, so roots of the plant help in fixing the plant into the soil. Then tiny hairs are also present on the surface of the root that help in एब्जॉर्प्शन ऑफ वाटर एंड मिनरल्स फ्रॉम द सॉइल. जो वाटर और मिनरल्स को सॉइल में से एब्जॉर्ब करती हैं और ट्रांसफर करती है उसको टू द डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ द प्लांट. एंड नेक्स्ट इज रूट जो होती हैं कुछ प्लांट्स के, वे करते हैं दे स्टोर फूड इन दैम. सो दीज रूट्स आर एडिबल, वी ईट दीज रूट्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल टर्निप, कैरेट, रेडिश एक्सेट्रा आर द एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ रूट दैट वी ईट. So today we have discussed about the parts of plant and different types of roots. So in next section or in next class we will discuss about the shoot. So student, this is all about your today's class. Thank you and have a nice day.